My name is Megan. I'm a pro makeup artist in Los Angeles, and I am here to spoil Glam Bag and BoxyCharm's products for the month of March. I am so excited. There are so many good products in this. You're gonna love it. So let's get into it. So starting with Glam Bag, we have the E.L.F. Brow Laminating Gel. So it's like a 3-in-1. This is so cool. First, you have these two bristles for precision to really brush them up and sculpt them. And then there's a third one that has the product on it. So you apply and then sculpt. I think that's so cool. As a makeup artist, I'm like, yes to that. Okay, next up we have this brush by SLMISSGLAM. Look at the strawberries. It's great for blush and contour. I like when they're small like that because you have more control. It's good for highlighter too, but it's for blush and contour. So cute. Next, from Karma Beauty, we have this thickening peptide hair serum. Why are peptides important? Because it thickens your hair, it strengthens it, and it's great for hair growth. Hair oiling is everything right now, and this one smells so good. Just throw it in your bag. Do it all the time. You can even put a few drops of this like after you do a blowout, and then it's just gonna make your hair so healthy. It also helps with any flyaways, any frizz, and of course, it smells good whenever you walk by someone. This is the Saturday SKIN Acai and Oats Cleanser. It's an antioxidant gel cleanser, and it's gonna brighten the skin. It's amazing for redness. It has this ingredient right here that I cannot pronounce. It's also called Sika, and it's everything that's in all of the juicy, beautiful K-beauty products. This is amazing. And last thing I'm gonna show you for Glam Bag is this SOPHIA and MABELLE setting powder. I actually haven't tried this, so I wanna try a little bit. Got a brush right here. And we're just gonna put a little under the eyes. Ooh, that was brightening instantly. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. So this would just be like the last step of your makeup, and you can just throw this in your bag. Now, my favorite way to use like a powder like this is to take just one of those triangular beauty sponges, pack it on, and use it for baking. That's what this is really great for. Then you could just tap it under the eyes or anywhere you get kind of oily, just kind of like that, and it just smooths and brightens. Like, that looks amazing. That looks totally photoshopped. No pores. So pretty. And there we have it. Okay, now let's move on to BoxyCharm. The first thing we're gonna talk about is this Easy Bake and Snatch from HUDA Beauty. This is a setting powder, perfect shade for me. So why don't we just try a little bit of this too? I'm gonna put this right through the center of my face. Ooh, I think I would use this to just set all my makeup so that it's no longer kind of shiny, and just lock it in, because that is a perfect match. It's not too light where it's highlighting, it's just kind of perfectly setting and smoothing the skin. That is gorgeous. I've actually always wanted to try this, but never have. This is shade Peach Pie, and that is going in my bag. Next up, we have the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream. This is amazing. I mean, every makeup artist knows this is amazing. So this is going to brighten, lighten, and tighten because it has vitamin C, it has ginseng, and it has niacinamide that's instantly gonna lighten under the eyes. So this is a must. The ginseng and the caffeine actually work together to instantly depuff. And pro makeup artist tip, you can actually use a little bit of eye cream at the end of the day. If your concealer is starting to crease, you can just tap it, and then you can just work out those creases, and it looks brand new. Next up, the SUPERGOOP Unseen Sunscreen. Everybody knows it, everyone loves it because it's so lightweight. It's just easy for everyday wear. It has no scent, and it even doubles as a primer. You can do this right before your makeup. Your skin's nice and protected, and then your foundation goes on so smoothly. And remember, we're going into spring, so maybe there's a bit of rain or clouds, but you always need to wear your sunscreen every single day to protect your beautiful skin. Okay, from Fenty Beauty, we have the Fenty Cheeks Blush in Water Brat. Isn't that so beautiful? It's kind of a pinky raspberry tone with a bit of shimmer. I mean, that is a party. I think we should try some on. I'm just gonna swatch it first. Put it on the back of my hand. Look at that. That is so pretty. This one is great as a blush topper, and it's great for like medium to deep skin, but there's actually two other shades too. So if you have lighter skin, you can go with the peachy one, or if you have richer skin, this one is really gonna pop on your skin. Okay, to wrap up BoxyCharm, I'm showing you this cleanser from First Aid Beauty. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is a tried and true, and as I'm sure you know, this brand is amazing for sensitive skin. You'll always be safe with this. So this is gonna be great for the end of the day when you wanna remove your makeup. It's not gonna feel heavy or lightweight. It's not gonna strip the skin and leave you feeling dry. It's just that amazing everyday cleanser for removing impurities. And that is your little spoiler for the month of March. Go ahead and subscribe to both BoxyCharm and Glam Bag with the link in the description box below. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel. And then also comment your favorite spoiler down below. Which one do you love? I'll see you on the next one. Bye!